Let me show you how you can make the backlight on your GShock GBA 950 essentially stay on even though you press the button. So we usually see if you enable the backlight, but you press any button, actually the backlight goes off, which is absolutely crazy, stupid design. And to bypass this very stupid limitation, essentially what we have to do is we actually have to disable our keytone. So yep, that is the only thing we can do and the only way. So we're going to go to the current time menu where you can see your current time and date. Press the display here. Okay, so using the mode button, navigate to the okay, apologize. Let's go back again, the tone. So make sure to turn this off essentially. So apply with the display button, press again. Okay. Let's go back. So yep, we are back essentially. So if I turn down the light now, and if I check it now, let's see, if I press around, the light actually still stays on. So again, it stays on for the full 3 or 1.5 seconds as you need. So again, this also gets rid of the tone. So if you're wondering if there's any way how to disable this stupid feature without disabling the key tone, then nope, I haven't found a way. So basically those things are somehow tied together, and if you disable that, also this stupid stuff also gets disabled. So I really wish Casio finally stopped including this I'm not sure if that's on purpose or it's simply like a very bad design, but yeah, this really has to go on their watch. So it affects pretty much all their watch, and the watch essentially at night is completely unusable in my opinion. Good luck.